This video guides you in disassembling the fan assembly. This procedure is the same for both the hygienic and the industrial pumps. Be sure to have the following required tools before starting. Perform the steps to prepare the equipment for repair as described in the manual. Disconnect the power. Disconnect the control cover. Refer to the Disconnect Control Cover video. Remove the fasteners from the fan guard. Remove the fan guard and fan propeller from the stator housing. Disconnect the fan cable and motor cable from the control board. Remove the fasteners from fan motor assembly. Remove the fan motor assembly from the stator housing. Disassemble the fasteners, fan, mounts, and fan motor. Inspect parts for wear or damage. Replace as necessary. Before reassembly, verify system power is disconnected. Assemble the fasteners, fan, mounts, and fan motor. Apply thermal paste to fan motor contact surface. Use the press bushing on fan tool to tap fan motor rotor into fan propeller. Only smooth part of fan shaft should be exposed when fully installed. Remove fan press bushing and holster tool. Position fan motor stator over rotor and hold the fan motor assembly in place to install the fasteners through the fan motor assembly. Torque to 20 inch-pounds. Connect all wires to the control board per wiring diagram in manual. White goes to neutral and black goes to L1. Connect the fan cable and fan motor cable to the control board. Install the fan guard assembly inside the stator housing. Install the fasteners with medium strength thread locker into the fan guard. Securely tighten. Spin the fan propeller by hand to ensure the propeller can fully and easily turn. Follow the steps in the Reconnect the Control Cover video.